Hey y'all, it's your girl Cecilia. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this gorgeous blue eyeshadow look, including a head wrap tutorial from Ceecee's closet. Y'all already know the deal. I'm going to be moisturizing my face with one of my favorite creams from Beauty the People. My skin is so dry, but it's been so hot in LA. My T-zone has been really oily, and I highly recommend the e.l.f. Cosmetics Mist along with the matte foundation from Juvia's Place. For those who struggle with oily skin, this is the best option for you. I like to blend my foundation with the brush. I make sure that I wet the brush for a smooth application. Now I'm going to blend with the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I like to pretty much highlight the face first, and then I move on to contouring. So this is where all the magic begins. Contouring highlights the most flattering areas in your face. It's like more for like a slim definition. After I'm done using my cream contour, I move on to the translucent powder from Mercier. I like to make sure that my face looks sculpted, and I like to do this on the oily areas of my face. We're going to move on to the Juvia's Place Magic palette. I'm going to start with two different transition colors. Unfortunately, I don't remember the shades, but I will have them in the description box down below. I'm going to take a flat brush and start using a concealer to create a beautiful cut crease. I want to make sure that I add the blue on the sides of my lid, and then I want to leave a gap in the middle so I can add a yellow color to create the halo look. Big shout out to Jolie Lashes for sending me this beautiful pair in Speechless. I think they were perfect for this eyeshadow look. They're so pretty, wispy, dramatic, yet elegant. I'm not used to the dramatic look, but I think these look so stunning and they feel so comfortable. What do you think? I felt like the blue from the head wrap was not really matching the eyeshadow as much, so I went and I used the lip palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I applied some on the lid and on my waterline. Now I'm going to take the Morphe Brushes contour palette. I want to make sure that I add a powder contour and to add a little bit of glow on the sides of my face to have and achieve more of like a glowy, bronzy look. Ooh, girl, look at that highlight. Okay, she's ready. And to finish up this look, I want to add some setting spray by Gerard Cosmetics. I want my lips to appear bigger, so what I'm going to do is use the ColourPop Cosmetics lipstick in cinnamon to line my lips, and then I'm going to use the Sugar and Spice lip liner, which is a lighter shade, to make my lips look fuller. Now here's a quick tutorial on how I slay this beautiful head wrap from Ceecee's Closet NYC. If you are interested in purchasing this head wrap, is called Giza. You can find it on their website. I will have the link down below. And if you want to save some money, don't forget to use my code Cecilia10. You won't be disappointed. So this is the end of my tutorial. I hope you guys liked it as much as I did filming it. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel to join the family, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.